This is not a quick test drive. This is what happens when you actually live with a car. When you wake up, grab the key, get in, drive through traffic, run errands, and push it when the road opens up. Today is all about the first ever 2026 Polestar 4. And instead of talking at you, I am taking you through a real day behind the wheel. Before we go any further, if you enjoy honest ownership-style reviews that go deeper than spec sheets, hit the like button and subscribe to the Next Gear channel, because this is exactly the kind of content we build here. The Polestar 4 does not ask you to press a start button. You unlock it, you sit down, you put your foot on the brake, and the car is ready. It feels strange at first, but within minutes it feels natural, almost like the car is waiting for you instead of the other way around. The key itself has no buttons. It simply knows you are there. That convenience comes with responsibility, because leaving it inside the car can lock you out faster than you expect. Once you learn its habits, it becomes second nature. Front and center is a massive landscape touchscreen that controls nearly everything. At first glance it feels overwhelming, but the layout rewards patience. You can resize tiles, pin shortcuts, and shape the interface around how you actually drive. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin in colors inspired by planets, from warm solar tones to cool cosmic hues. It sounds gimmicky until you realize how much it changes the mood inside the cabin during long drives. One pedal driving is adjustable, from completely off to aggressive regeneration. And once you find your preferred setting, daily traffic becomes effortless. Driver monitoring is always working quietly in the background, tracking attention and fatigue without being intrusive. Steering wheel position, mirrors, head-up display, and even suspension settings all live inside the screen. It takes time to learn, but once set, everything stays exactly where you want it. Climate control is entirely digital, including air direction, which means setup matters. This is not a car you jump into and adjust on the fly. It rewards preparation. The interior feels solid, minimal, and intentional. Storage is smartly integrated, with a floating center bridge that opens up usable space below. Physical controls are limited, but the ones that remain matter. The volume knob is real. Seat adjustments are real. Massage, heating, ventilation, all easily accessible once you know where to look. Cameras are crisp, wide, and confidence-inspiring, especially considering there is no traditional rear window. The digital rearview mirror takes a few days to trust, but once your eyes adjust, visibility is excellent. Pulling into traffic feels calm and controlled. The steering has real weight, the chassis feels planted, and the low center of gravity reminds you immediately that the battery placement is doing serious work here. Around town, the Polestar 4 feels smaller than it looks. In tight spaces, the cameras and sensors make parking almost effortless. On the highway, the cabin stays impressively quiet, letting the car feel more premium the longer you drive it. Press deeper into the throttle and the character changes instantly. Dual motors deliver relentless torque with no drama, no artificial sound, just a smooth surge forward. Performance mode sharpens everything, and suddenly this calm Scandinavian eve feels genuinely quick. The handling stays composed, the suspension keeps the body flat, and the car feels eager without being aggressive. This balance is where the Polestar 4 shines. Daily range settles realistically between 250 and 260 miles in mixed driving. Official numbers promise more, but real life includes traffic, acceleration, and imperfect conditions. Charging stations integrate seamlessly into navigation, making planning easy when the battery runs low. Animal mode keeps the cabin climate stable when you step away, a small detail that makes a big difference for real owners. Living with the Polestar 4 means adapting to its logic. No start button, no rear glass, no clutter. Once that adjustment happens, the experience feels cohesive and well thought out. The panoramic roof can instantly switch from clear to opaque, eliminating the need for physical shades and keeping the cabin cool when the sun is harsh. Safety systems quietly monitor surroundings, signage, pedestrians, and vehicles, reinforcing confidence without constant alerts. After spending real time behind the wheel, this does not feel like a concept brought to life. It feels finished. It feels intentional. It feels like a performance EV designed for people who actually drive every day, not just for attention shows. If you appreciate vehicles that challenge convention without sacrificing usability, this one deserves your attention. If this deep dive helped you understand what the Polestar 4 is really like to live with, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the Next Gear channel. We build content for people who want the full experience, not just the highlight reel.